Let's talk a little bit about stickers, and it's quite simple, but there's a couple of tricks to it that I want to show you. So as always, up here on the left, you want to click on stickers, and now there's the only option you've got down here, and there are many different categories for you to find exactly what you want. Now let's say that, for example, by the end of the video, you want to add one of these subscribe buttons. Immediately, CapCut adds it here where the playhead was, and it's perfectly here by the end of the video. When you look at the preview, you have the same controls as you do with other elements. So you can just move it around as you want. You can change the size by using the handles over here or using the panel over here on the right. You only got scale, position, rotate, very basic features with the stickers. And if I play this here, we just got the subscribe button appearing there, the bell going on, and that's it. Now, if I were to change the length of this sticker, I would actually be cutting it in half. So if I just drag it down here, for example, it comes up and it's over. So it's not like it's speeding it up. And there's no way of doing it with the panel or here. So here I'm going to introduce you another thing from the timeline that I hadn't showed before, which is the creation of compound clips. In the timeline, if you just drag the cursor over many different elements, it's going to select all of them together. And now if you right click, you could create a compound clip, which is having all of these mixed into one element only. So if I were to create one like this, for example, it would just put everything together inside this massive clip down here. It's not what I want to do, so let me just Ctrl Z to get back here to how it was before. And now I'm going to create a compound clip just with the sticker itself. So I'm going to do it here. And now when I click on the compound clip, it acts like it was a video. So if I come up to speed, now I have the option of speeding it up a little bit. So if I just make it twice as fast, I can now see that the sticker comes up and it goes all the way until the bell there on the top and it finishes off. So actually now the sticker is being considered a video and you can change all of the things that you could on a normal video clip by doing the compound clip. And anyways, there are 1 million options inside here for you to choose. Just pay attention, there are many here that are meant just for use with the Pro version. And they are all tagged on the upper left part with Pro written. So just be aware of it, because later on when you're going to export the video, it might tell you that you use some sort of Pro feature and it's going to be difficult a little bit to find what it is because of these small stickers along the way. That was it about stickers. Let's talk about effects and transitions.